Well, healthier eating has got to be near the top, if not the top resolution heading into 2018. And our next guest has been helping people change their relationship with food for years. Melissa Hartwig is a certified sports nutritionist who certainly practices what she preaches. A quick glance of her Instagram feed and videos like this certainly confirm it. And this morning, she's in our kitchen with the follow-up to her New York Times best-selling book. It's called The Whole30 Fast and Easy. Melissa Hartwig is here with us in our Your Money kitchen.
Hi, Brandon. Thank you for having me.
I am so excited about some of these recipes because it smells delicious in here.
It does, yes.
But before we get to all of these different ones that you have, you obviously are extremely fit.
I am.
And you practice what you preach, like we said.
I do.
So you actually eat your own recipes and so forth?
Of course I do. Yeah, I've been eating like this since 2009 when the Whole30 was created.
Wow.
Of course.
Now, talk about, because I know in your book you say all of these recipes can be made under a certain amount of time. Because lots of people, they got kids, you could be a single parent.
Yes.
It's hard to spend more than half an hour in the kitchen.
Nobody wants to be chained to good food jail in the kitchen, right? Where you're stuck in the cycle of cooking and washing dishes.
Yes.
And these are all recipes that are really short ingredient list or short hands-on time, or the slow cooker does the work for you to get you in and out and enjoying the benefits of your healthy diet faster.
See, I like the way you think.
Yeah,
like you time
I'm a single mama, I get it.
There you go. So what's this first recipe that we're talking about here?
Okay, so this is one of my favorite dishes in the book. It's a zucchini wrapped cod with fresh thyme and lemon and roasted Brussels sprouts. And it's so easy to put together. You've got these cod fillets.
Right.
And all you're gonna do, and I'm gonna use my hands because this is how real people cook,
yeah.
right? You're
so
just
literally, you cut the zucchini into nice little slices?
Exactly.
Okay.
Cut the zucchini. You're gonna cut it kind of thin.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna do a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil.
So it's almost like a bacon wrap thing, but you're actually just using zucchini.
Yeah, but you're using zucchini, so it's light, it's fresh. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of thyme over the top.
All right, and do you still use salt, would you say?
Oh yeah, salt and pepper are also in this dish.
That's fine,
Absolutely, yeah. And then I'm gonna put a really thinly sliced lemon, and then we're gonna pop it in the oven. I've got these halved Brussels sprouts.
Alrighty.
So simple. Because I always cook in a fancy dress like this at home. And
well, the food has to look good, and the people making the food have to look good, right?
And then magically,
voila,
the finished dish appears. But look at that, it's delicious. It's got
amazing.
natural healthy fats, protein, fresh veggies.
Do you love fish? Is like that one of your favorite dishes, would you say?
Fish is one of my go-tos. I tend to rotate through protein sources, but I love fish. It's light, it's delicious. Cod is relatively budget friendly, so, but you could sub any white fish for this dish.
I'm gonna do a small piece because I've eaten live on TV before, and it just drops out my mouth.
Okay, do it. Let me know what you think.
Oh, wow.
It's good, right?
No, this is really good. Like
this
the flavor
is just as good for breakfast as it is for dinner.
I'm gonna have a Brussels sprout just because that's also really good to eat.
They're very good, yeah, they're fantastic. We've got a wide range of veggies in these dishes.
This is really good. Like, do you saute the Brussels sprouts a bit? So you did it with the oil, right?
We did it with the oil, but everything cooks in the oven. That's the beauty of it. You
and
don't
how long
have
would
to
you
prep
leave it in the oven for?
It's about 30 minutes or so to get everything, the Brussels, kind of nicely caramelized like that.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right. Fish isn't for everyone.
Yes.
But we have another dish.
We do, yes. Okay, so you know how like your favorite Chinese restaurant has this orange chicken?
I love Chinese food.
It's so tasty.
Yes.
It is not healthy.
No.
So we've got our version.
I mean, sometimes you don't want to hear that it's not healthy, but you have a better version for us.
We have a healthier version. Yes, we sure do. So this is our orange chicken with cauliflower rice.
Whoa.
Which is all the rage right now. You can even buy cauliflower crumbles at your local grocery store.
I didn't even know they make cauliflower with rice.
Oh yeah, it tastes very similar to rice in texture, but it's nutrient dense and it has far less carbohydrate.
How would you cook that?
So, well, you're gonna take the chicken and your vegetables. You've got this really awesome dressing with coconut aminos, with rice vinegar, and all of these fresh seasonings like ginger. And you're gonna stir fry it.
Okay.
So simple, one pan cooking.
And again, under 30 minutes.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely. And again, most grocery stores even offer pre-chopped broccoli and carrots.
I'm excited to try this.
Yeah, we're all about taking advantage of the convenience products available at your local grocery store in the produce aisle and the fresh foods. Lighter.
You know what? It's much lighter.
Lighter, not as sticky, not as sweet.
Yeah, but it still has the flavor, which I love.
And that's from the orange and the orange zest we use in the ingredients.
And you know what? Even though it's not technically rice, excuse me, it does still have almost a similar texture.
Yeah, it does.
All right, I like that one.
Me too.
Now this is really healthy.
This is my favorite.
This is a salad.
It's a salad.
I don't eat a lot of salads, but I feel like I'm gonna have to start doing that. So tell me quickly about this one.
Also a very seasonal salad. So it's a kind of fruity chicken salad. So we've got romaine, you could sub any lettuce. We've got grilled chicken, which you can buy pre-roasted. We've got orange segments, pomegranate, which is in season right now.
Can you eat this for breakfast?
Cashews. I love breakfast salads.
Yeah.
You could even crack an egg over the top. And then this really delicious dressing, again, made with orange juice and vinegar and some fresh herbs.
And you're saying, once again, under 30 minutes.
Oh my gosh, yes. You could throw this together for work in about 5 minutes. And then when you make the dressing, double the recipe so you have some left over.
Thank you for being here and making us eat healthy.
Thanks
I appreciate that.
Thank you for
Shall we
having
dig in?
me.
Do you have a fork?
I do have a fork. Yeah, let's do it. I haven't had breakfast yet.
There we go. And a cheers.
Cheers. Happy New Year.
Thank you. We'll be right back after this.